Hi everyone, this is Seheli again. Welcome back to my channel. As I was discussing exception handling in my last video, and I have discussed what is exception handling, the concept. I have also shown you how to write programs, and I have discussed what are the different kinds of exception. And as promised in this tutorial, I'll be discussing how to create user-defined exceptions. So there are multiple ways of creating user-defined exceptions, and these ways we will be looking into this ways how we can create multiple user-defined exceptions. So there are multiple ways by which we can create user-defined exceptions. But before moving on further, just click on subscribe and like to my videos for such wonderful tutorials. Very soon, I'll be creating videos on some emerging technologies such as Python and this other Bootstrap and other technologies also. So just stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to click on subscribes and like to my videos. Thank you. So let's move on further. As I have discussed in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how the user can create uh, exceptions forcefully. So there are multiple ways of creating that. It can be created using any method, or it can be created using objects. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how can we create uh, exceptions object. So there are two ways by which we can create or the user can create exception object. Exceptions object can be created by two ways. One is by using this is the syntax like throw followed by new, then followed by the name of the exceptions, the exception type. So this the object of this type will be created, and beside that there is the name of the exceptions also. So here you have to provide the name of the exceptions. So the syntax is like that: throw, then followed by new clause will create an exception object of this type, followed by the type of the exception, and then you have to mention the exception name within inverted quotes. So by this way we can create user defined exception, and the other way is we can just throw and followed by the exception object. So by these two ways the user can create exceptions. Here in this process, what is happening is that in this program, inside main inside, first of all, let's look into this static demo procedure. So this static method, here inside the static method I have written one try clause. Inside this try clause I have forcefully thrown an exception using the new uh, syntax like throw new, then the type of exception. Here in this case it is null pointer exception followed by the exception name, which is I have given it as demo. So throw new null pointer exception demo, this will throw an exception of type null pointer exception, and the exception name will be demo. And in the after this try clause I have written the catch clause. This clause will take exception type of type null pointer exception, and here inside this I have written an output statement which says caught inside demo procedure, and then after that it will again throw this exception. And is this time I'll not be using new operator, I'll be just throwing the exception object to throw e. And so in the when the execution will occur, what will happen is that the execution will start from this main method, and in the main method the try clause, first of all the try block will be executed. So inside the try block, this demo procedure, this will call the static process demo process. So this demo procedure will start executing. First of all, it will go inside this try block, and here it will find that throw new null pointer exception demo. Here, when this line will be executed, an exception of this null pointer exception type will be created, and the exception name will be demo. And then when the exception will be created, it will start to find the matching catch, and after that only it will find the matching catch, which will take this null pointer exception type. Then this catch will catch the exception and will print caught inside demo process. This statement will be printed, and after that it will again throw the exception object, and when this exception object will be thrown, it will go outside of this catch statement, and it will start finding matching catch, and it will come and it will find the matching catch here beside this. After this strike block, it will find the matching catch, which will accept this null pointer exception, and then this matching catch will be executed, and this record inside main, this statement will be printed. So if we run the program, if I can see the output that first of all caught inside demo process, that this statement will be printed, then record inside main, which is written inside this statement. Record inside main is printed along with this exception name, because I have printed the exception. So along with this, all the entire exception family like main.java, the exception object type will be printed, and also the name of the exception which I have given while creating the exception object, that name will also be printed. So what will happen is that whenever we are creating an exception forcefully using objects, then whenever the exception, the throw clause is encountered, the execution stops immediately after the throw statement, and the nearest enclosing try block is nearest enclosing catch block is inspected to find if it has the matching catch, and if has the matching catch, it will be executed. If it does find a matching catch, it will be executed, and if it does not find any matching catch, then the next enclosing matching catch will be executed. And if no catch is found, then the default exception handler will halt the program and print stack trace. Print stack trace will print the exception type. So the execution will be interrupted, will be halted, and print stack trace will be printed with the entire exceptions object descriptions. So here is how the user can create and forcibly throw exception object using program. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing how exception object can be thrown using a method. So stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to click on like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.